Hey lovelies! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the best beauty tips and tricks to keep you looking fabulous every day. Are you ready to discover some mind-blowing beauty hacks that will change your makeup game forever? Let's jump right in. These hacks are not only easy but also incredibly effective, and you probably already have everything you need at home. First up, let's talk eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can be a game changer for your look, but did you know you can get creative with it? Did you know you can use your favorite lipstick as eyeshadow? Yes, you heard that right. This hack is perfect for those days when you want to try something new without buying more products. Start with a nude shade as a base. This will help the lipstick color pop and stay in place longer. Blend a bold color on the outer edge of your eyelid and then add a light shade in the middle for that perfect pop. Voila! You've just created a stunning look with what you already have. You've just created a stunning look with what you already have. Isn't that amazing? Next, foundation application can often be a tricky business. Getting that flawless finish can sometimes feel impossible, but here's a hack that's both fun and effective. Grab a slightly inflated balloon and use it as a makeup sponge. It's a quirky trick, but it works wonders. Grab a slightly inflated balloon and use it as a makeup sponge. The texture of the balloon helps in spreading the foundation evenly. Trust me, it works wonders for even application and hiding pores. Plus, it's a fun way to switch up your routine. Plus, it feels super cool. You'll be amazed at how smooth your foundation looks. Now, glitter can be a pain to remove, right? We all love a bit of sparkle, but the aftermath can be frustrating. Say goodbye to frustrating glitter cleanups with this genius trick. All you need is some hand soap and a flat Lego piece. Use hand soap and a flat Lego piece. The Lego's flat surface and small bumps help in picking up every bit of glitter. Rub the Lego on the glittered area with soap, then rinse. It's weird, but it works like magic. You'll be glitter-free in no time. It's weird, but it works like magic. You'll be glitter-free in no time. For mascara application, here's a quick tip. We all hate those annoying smudges that ruin our perfect look. Use a spoon as a shield behind your lashes to avoid those annoying smudges. This simple trick will save you so much time and hassle. It's simple, but it makes a big difference. Your mascara will look flawless every time. Ever ended up with fallen eyeshadow under your eyes? No worries. This next hack will help you clean up easily. Cut a panty liner into 3 parts and use the sticky sides to pick up the dust. Clean and easy. It's a quick fix that works every time. Out of blush? No problem. Use lipstick. This hack is perfect for those moments when you're in a pinch. Apply some to your finger, pucker your lips, and press a napkin against them. This will help distribute the color evenly. Then transfer the remaining color from the napkin to your cheeks. Instant blush. You'll have a natural rosy glow in seconds. Finally, for those looking to plump up their lips without the suction method, here's a safer alternative. This hack will give you fuller lips without any pain. Outline your lips slightly outside your natural lip line with a lip liner, then fill in with a tinted gloss. This creates the illusion of fuller lips, full, luscious lips in no time. You'll love the results. There you have it, my beauties. 7 mind-blowing beauty hacks that are super easy and incredibly effective. These tips will make your beauty routine so much more fun and efficient. 7 mind-blowing beauty hacks that are super easy and incredibly effective. Try them out and let us know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tips. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay fabulous. Keep experimenting and having fun with your beauty routine. See you soon.